It's cold outside. The icebreaker has a lot of job to do. That's for sure. Look at this house on the left. Like, what the fuck? Look at this, man. It's crazy. It's huge, man. Kind of sucks because to have a house that expensive over there, you don't even have like a front yard or anything. That's like they have a backyard, but it's small. Like, I guess it's the price to pay when you're in the city. Garages, I think. This one's also pretty big, like this one. Oh, not this one. I thought it was the same building. Two together, but no, it's two different houses. It's not that crazy. I saw that one before. Some idiot parking the road. That's funny. Put like a sticker on the window for Monday badges. That's weird. Little moulin. Park your car there. I won't go with it. It's a nice park, it seems. Looks nice. I don't know what's the name of it though. It doesn't say on my GPS either. Parc des Prairies, maybe. It's the only name I have on my GPS on my car. Here it's a bit more like the little part we did with it's a bit more expensive houses. Like I was saying, the east of Laval is more expensive, but there's a couple spots where you're gonna have some neighborhoods in the west that are a bit more upscale, I guess I could say. In general, it's a bit more expensive and luxurious city. Like, there's people with entries like that, like it's crazy. Like, I don't know if I filmed it right because I'm driving, but there's some that are like really nice. Other people were saying that Laval is boring because even during the summer there's not many people walking around and stuff, but I just think it's because there's a bit less population in Montreal, for example. So I think parts I like where they develop a bit more the Saint Martin and the Corbusier, where the Centropolis is. It's a bit more walk friendly, because it's also that like those cities were made to drive, not really to walk. So that's why I think a lot of people were not really walking around and about. They were just driving instead, because it was made for that. New condos. This is new. Museum. Like this on the left is new also. I don't know what it is. Probably like something, a clinic or hospital maybe. I don't know what this is. Maison des aînés. Okay. Old people's home. That looks fancy. Huh. Wasn't there before. It's been a really long time since I did this whole drive here. What I usually enjoy about Laval is roads are a bit nicer in general. Less traffic. So wherever you are, you can find a way to skip traffic. But these buildings are new. Like all of this is new. I don't know what was there before, but it's called Equinox. But that's all new. That's a weird contrast. Okay, it's for rent. There's like a sign that says it's for rent. There's new buildings on the left also over there. It's really developing here, it seems. Because the West was a lot of places were like abandoned businesses and stuff. So I think now it's changing a bit, because Laval's development is getting maybe filled up, like a lot less land available than before, and they just like go for the things that they can, basically. I think it's just all it goes with every like big city, you know. Here I can turn left or go straight. I'll go straight. Don't want to go to Montreal. Okay, so here. It continues, you're in Chaminade, then it will go around, I think, where I usually drive sometimes. This is Papineau, Curie-Labelle. So we're right by the Highway 15, that means. It wasn't that bad, but here it's like no bueno, amigo. I like these bends. They'll be nice. I have a nice stance. The new one GLC and stuff, the ones that are coupe SUVs are ugly as fuck, and everyone seems to buy them. It's like old church. Yeah, here it's really beat up. Probably renovated, because for it being that close to the street, it means it was built a long time ago. Because we don't build like that anymore. I think it's also the laws. I think they changed since then. You have to be a certain distance from the street. These are like the small diners. You don't really go dine there. It's more takeout, delivery of pizza. What's the most popular, I think? Amiral Auto. Wanna get scammed buying a car? This one has a football field, soccer also. Oh yeah. I'll start recording if there's anything left. I think I'm pretty much done as far as an interesting thing goes.